Hello, my name's Rick Lamb with Panasonic Connect and at the E4 event with Almos. I want to talk to you about this product technology called Kairos. Kairos is revolutionizing the world of live production, screens management. It's considered a production switcher, but it's not limited by how many mix effects you might have or how many keyers per ME. It's based on a software-driven GPU. Now, because of that, the flexibility, there's just no limitation of number of MEs. So what you're seeing on these monitors right now from the same server is 3 completely independent productions going on at the same time, live, uncompressed. With the flexibility of the GUI, as you see these monitors lined up, create a 64 or a 48 by 9 aspect ratio or screen. So with that, we can simply go and break this out to, as you see, we can cross the boundaries of these monitors with the live video, and we'll run an effect loop. And you'll see that the flexibility of the GPU really takes this live production platform into screens management and beyond. So it's truly the future of live production. Thank you.